So what is your name?
My name is Nishan.
Nishan Rai, how old are you?
25.
Married?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
One.
Okay, have you been into any other countries before?
No.
What work do you do in Nepal?
I got.
Agriculture?
Right.
And as you also said you work as a construction worker in village.
Yes.
Now in Romania you want to go as construction worker.
Yes.
So there you have to work 10 to 12 hours per day. Is it okay with you?
Yes.
How many years would you like to stay there?
Fancy.
5 years? 5. Okay. So what is your education level?
SLC.
Class 10 pass. Do you drink alcohol? Smoking?
No.
Okay. So do you have any health problem?
No.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.